What's up? It's your boy, and today we're going to be checking out the $30 controller that has everything that you need. I know, it's a crazy claim, but today's not clickbait. It is actually a $30 controller. It's got a smart display, Hall sensor joysticks, Hall sensor triggers, 1000 hertz polling rate. It's got back buttons, and like pretty much anything that you could need for a controller. We're going to see if it supports its claims, but all the stats are there. All the numbers look great. So it's the BIGBIG Aether wireless gaming controller. Anyways, let's unbox and try out and see if it's scam or not. Okay, all right, so we got another, like I said, incredible little controller, $30. It's another controller from Mojhon. I'm sure you guys remember my last video on BIGBIG or Mojhon. Mojhon's the new name. The important thing is this thing's $30. Looks like we got a QR code. What is this? Is this the wireless dongle? This appears to be. Yep, there's your wireless. Little BIGBIG symbol on it. Okay, and then yeah, I don't know how to open this without just like push this out like that and then push this like this. I like to keep the boxes nice, okay? Don't judge me. There we go. Wow. It's cooler than I expected. I mean, Hall effect sticks and Hall effect triggers. These are regular buttons, okay. But the back ones, mouse click. The sticks feel really nice. I mean, that's it, bro. It's got it doesn't come with a cord. That's okay. I use my keyboard cord. I use that for everything, man. That thing's seen some shit. Do you think it has any battery in it? What do you think? What are the odds? Hey. Tap FN for settings. Configs, modes, language, pair, light info. Okay, I mean, that's pretty cool. I've never had a controller with a screen on it. 1000 hertz polling rate, we'll see. What else can we learn about this thing? Apparently the ABXY has silent foam added. Sounds about average. I guess it's a little bit quieter. One-piece shoulder buttons. The upgraded D-pad play combos with no misfires. That's kind of cool. It's got like some grip to it. 600 mAh battery. 4 levels of vibration customization. That's pretty nice. For Windows, Switch, Android, and iOS. So maybe not Xbox and PlayStation. Good to know. Apparently it's equipped with a ceramic antenna, delivering superior communication performance over traditional metal antennas, lower latency, and enhanced signal stability. Ensures a consistently high polling rate for seamless gameplay. I never really considered the fact that there's antennas in these, but I guess that makes sense. You can, I guess, FPS algorithm upgraded, adjust joystick dead zone compensation directly through the smart display screen. Achieve true zero dead zone or even negative dead zone for an ultra smooth feel across all games. And then you have your Hall effect triggers. Experience ultra responsive Hall effect magnetic triggers, offering precise control with 256 levels of travel. Customized trigger sensitivity directly through the smart display screen to adapt to any gaming scenario. Linear mode, optimized for racing games, or hair trigger mode, fast response for FPS. And then the shoulder buttons are upgraded, I guess. They got little stabilizer bars in them, so it has a nice consistent feel. Max continuous use, 14 hours with the 600 mAh battery, and it lasts up to 7 days. Charging port type C. I mean, we're gonna just play a game, and that's pretty much it. Who wants some, mate? Who wants some? You want some? You want some, mate? Bro, I won't. There's the lunge in this and Splitgate's completely different. The lunge in Splitgate's like 20 feet long. I'm gone. Chill, bro. Relax. Chill, bro. It was an accident, I swear. What I need you to understand is that I like the zip lines. Oh, that should have counted, dog. Come on, bro. Got him. Got him. cooked them, mate. I cooked them. Hey, buddy. Uh-oh, that's awkward. Is that an enemy? Hey, whoa. I'm out of here. I'm so far behind the wall, it's like not even funny, dude. Oh! We're fine. I don't want to talk about it. Can you let me up? Why don't I see anyone? Is someone shooting at me? Hello? Let me get the last kill, bro. I think we won this one, dog. Yeah. With a $30 controller, mate. That's what you get with $30. Sorry, that was rough. Yeah, anyways, great controller. BIGBIG Wand, or Mojhon, whatever you want to call it. Aether little controller. I'll leave a link for it in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out the playlist, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Bye-bye.